Uh, Hello everyone. Today I will give a brief overview of Samsung Electronics and strategic directions. Uh, let's come to the slide 2 of Samsung executive summary. Samsung Electronics is a global leader in smartphones, semiconductor, consumer electronics, and smart home devices. Despite its strong market presence and liquidity, the company faces challenge with low profitability and efficient asset utilization. Currently, Samsung net profit margin is 11.17% and return on asset is 6.53%, which is significantly lower than competitors like Apple. The company aims to improve profitability, increase operational efficiency, and achieve sustainable long-term growth. The proposed response focus on AI-driven automation to cut production cost, diversifying into high-margin softwares, diversifying into high margin software service and lot and leveraging its strength in semiconductors and patent technologies to enhance competitiveness. By implementing these strategies, Samsung expect to boost margins, increase ROA, and maintain long-term market leadership. In summary, Samsung strategic initiatives aim to transform its operational efficiency and profitability while sustaining its global technology leadership. Let's come to the slide 3. Samsung products and services. Samsung products and services. Samsung Galaxy smartphone offer 5G connectivity, AMOLED display, and AI integration, combining communication, entertainment, and productivity in just one device. Its QLED TV deliver premium picture quality, meeting the demand for high-end home entertainment. AI power appliances like smart fridges and washing machines provide convenience and efficiency for everyday life. Samsung is also a global leader in semiconductor production, supplying high performance chips that power devices worldwide. Uh, Proprietary technologies such as AMOLED display, along with strategies, partnerships like Qualcomm, give Samsung a strong competitive advantage. Samsung target both premium and mid-range segment using tiered pricing to balance market reach and profitability. So let's come to the marketing plan. We show the slide 4 and 5. Samsung leads the global consumer electronics market with a 20% smartphone share and the largest semiconductor production. Despite growing competition, high startup costs, patent technologies like AMOLED display, and vertical integration create strong barriers to entry for new competitors. Samsung face rivals such as Apple, Huawei, and Xiaomi, but sees growth opportunities in 5G, AI, and smart home devices. It products feature 5G AMOLED display and AI integration, targeting middle to high-end income consumers and business clients. Samsung use digital marketing, social media sponsorships, and partnerships to maintain brand awareness while employing a tiered pricing strategy for premium and mid-range devices. Distribution is through branded stores, authorized authorized retailers, network operators, and e-commerce platforms, ensuring global reach. Overall, Samsung combines innovation, strategic pricing, and strong distribution to maintain leadership in consumer electronics. Uh, let's come to the slide 6, which show the financial analysis of problem identification. In 2025, Samsung Electronics demonstrated strong liquidity with a current ratio of 2.63, which is significantly higher than Apple 0.89. This indicates that Samsung is in a stronger position to meet in short-term obligations. However, when it's come to profitability, Apple clearly outperforms Samsung. Samsung net profit margin stand at 11.17%, compared to Apple much higher 26.92%, showing that Apple is far more efficient at converting revenue into profit. In addition, Samsung is less effective in using its asset turnover ratio of 6.53 is considerably lower than Apple 31.18, reflecting lower operational efficiency. Particularly notable given Samsung capital-intensive business model. Overall, while Samsung benefits from strong liquidity, Apple leads in profitability and asset efficiency, highlighting contrasting financial strength between the two companies. Samsung financial performance in 2025 highlights several significant challenges. While the company maintains strong cash flow and liquidity, its profitability remain relatively low. The net profit margin stand at 11.17%, which is considerably lower than Apple 26.92%, indicating weaker profit generation. Furthermore, return on asset is also at 6.53 compared to Apple 31.18%. This suggests that Samsung is not utilizing its asset and capital as effectively to generate returns. The combination of low profitability and weak asset efficiency points to operational inefficiency and reflects a competitive disadvantage in Samsung's ability to generate return from its resources. So let's come to the financial analysis solution, which is financial plan. To address low profitability and inefficient use of assets, Samsung should focus on four key strategic actions. So the first one is the company should enhance operational efficiency by introducing AI and automation across in its production lines, helping to reduce cost and improve asset utilization. And the second, Samsung should diversify its revenue streams by expanding into high margin software, digital digital service and Internet of Things solutions, complementing its core hardware business. Third, cost optimization is essential. This can be achieved by rationalizing underperforming products, negotiating improved supplier agreements, and implementing lean production process. Finally, Samsung should prioritize strategic investment in high return areas such as next generation semiconductor chips, and AI focused technologies to strengthen long-term returns on asset and overall uh, financial performance. Let's come to the slide 8. We show the additional Samsung vertically integrated operations ecosystem strategy and proprietary technologies drive innovation across smartphones, semiconductors, and AI-enabled devices. It diversify revenue stream investment in 5G and automotive electronics and strong ESG focus, reduce risks and support sustainable growth, high margin opportunities, and long-term investor value. So let's come to the slide 3. Top 3 evidence-based reason why you should invest in this business. First, market leadership and brand strength. Samsung hold a 20% global smartphone share, leads in semiconductor production, and its proprietary technologies like AMOLED display, AI integration create a strong competitive edge. And the reason two is second, diversify products and innovation from smartphones and TVs to AI power home appliances. Samsung wide portfolio backed by heavy R&D in AI, 5G, and smart tech support long-term growth. And the reason three is third, financial strength and efficiency, potential high liquidity and global supply chain. Combined with AI-driven automation, cost optimization, and high margin services are projected to boost profitability and asset use. So the presentation was referenced by using Harvard referencing styles. I would like to thank you for watching the video.